If you may recall, I have made a commitment to commission this project while opening the rural water project at Nandobu village in May this year, and I am glad that I have made it today. Having said that, I wish to convey my sincere gratitude to the Vanua for the traditional ceremony accorded to me this morning on behalf of government. I also wish to thank the Water Authority of Fiji, the project team, the water committee of this settlement, and all of you who have worked tirelessly to make this project a success. Ladies and gentlemen, any elected government has two roles. One is to lead the people and another is to serve the people. In serving the people of Fiji, the Bainimarama government has implemented basic infrastructure projects such as this as a building block to development. As you are aware, water is one of the most important substances on earth. We cannot sustain life without it. We cannot sustain communities without it. But when communities have ample water, they thrive. Their health, their farming, their economy all can steadily improve when water is readily available. Access to clean water is both a fundamental right of every Fijian as enshrined in the Fijian Constitution and an essential component of sustainable development. The Water Authority of Fiji is responsible for helping achieve government's vision to give every Fijian household access to clean water and efficient and effective wastewater services. Fiji, through its 5-year and 20-year National Development Plan, has set an ambitious target of having 100% access to safe drinking water by the year 2030. About 78% of Fiji's population currently have access to safe clean water, and government is optimistic that this target will be achieved as planned. It is government's intent that no one is left behind. Government will not rest on its laurels until every single household has access to safe and clean drinking water. This is a path your government has pushed in the past years and also in this financial year. In the last 5 years, government through the Water Authority of Fiji has allocated and spent over $4 million towards rural water projects in the province of Naitasiri. This has seen the implementation of 42 rural water projects within the province. In the 2019-2020 financial year, Water Authority of Fiji has been allocated $258.7 million, with the vast majority dedicated to capital projects, including the construction of new water sources and treatment plants and the expansion of water distribution systems all over Fiji. Water Authority of Fiji, through its rainwater harvesting scheme, is distributing water tanks to non-metered areas. Since the inception of the scheme, Water Authority of Fiji has distributed more than 11,450 water tanks nationwide, of which 1,023 were distributed in the province of Naitasiri. In the new financial year, a budget of $3 million has been allocated to continue the scheme. The completion of these projects, including the one we are commissioning today, is a step closer towards meeting the national 100% water access target. The completion of this water project has cost government $51,000, and it is an investment we are happy to make, because from clean water flows many benefits that keep us more productive and more resilient to environmental hardships. I am told that a new dam and a 4,500-gallon ferro-cement tank has been constructed with the installation of the main from the dam to the reservoir. Other works include the installation of showers, standpipes, washout, and air valve. As we celebrate the commissioning of this project today, I would like to reiterate the need for both the Water Committee and you as recipients to take ownership of this water project. It is your duty to maintain it and ensure that the free flow of clean water to every household is not disrupted. The onus is on you to ensure that regular checks and maintenance are made. To assist you in carrying out this responsibility, the government will be providing the Water Committee with a toolbox of basic tools from the Water Authority of Fiji. This will be handed over to the committee after this. To conclude, I wish to leave you with a message, and that is every drop of water counts. You will never know the worth of water until it is dry. So conserve water and use it wisely. Disama itsuko na nugungan iturangan itsuko sa mga konturan na bulwalu, itsuko na mas nuntubuno ba turangan itsuko na konturan na ide taltal. Kamaro tengiviao, namatay ni singini gua, ninda may beso taraki, besa may tamudi kina, kasamay sana may mga tayo to project ni Wai non to chuchuwa turang ay Drauleba ni may chigo may do chuno ko yang ala na matansi ni kwa sa batong ano lagi
nakasakanya marobyo mo na may nawaliw
Satu sisi itu merah, kalau di sini lagi.
nawaliw
Bola! Kedua ini.